Opo.
Okay. Speaking of, kanina di ba we talk about having a good relationship with Chris?
Yes.
Tapos you're highly identified with Jed Madela because I think madalas ka mag-guest dun sa mga shows niya.
Yes po.
I mean, can you describe your relationship with Kuya Jed?
Kuya Jed is like a mentor to me, and he's like a teacher din po. And of course, he's like my kuya din po. We hang out. Yun po.
Okay. So, ang sabi niya kasi one time, napanood ko sa isang previous concert niya na parang willing siya na ipamana sa'yo yung kanyang corona. I mean, at your age, di ba? I mean,
wow.
Oh yeah, how does that make you feel? I mean, coming from Jed Madela, di ba?
It's very cool. And parang, yun nga po, napapawaw po ako. Yun.
Ano ka na ba? I mean, have you adjusted to everything that's happening to you now? Kasi after The Voice Kids, biglang boom, one after the other.
Opo.
Or medyo...
I'm still parang naninibago po kasi yun nga po.
Specifically what? Sa anong aspeto?
With the supporters po kasi parang bilis po ng mga pangyayari po pagkatapos po ng The Voice Kids. I didn't imagine that
this is how many people support me, not just here in the Philippines, but worldwide po. And also being away from the family po is something I also still need to try adjusting to. Pero okay naman na that. It was from 2 different events. So sabi nila parang, ba't nang uulit ka? Pero it's okay naman din po. Bawal po bang maulit? Parang tao naman din po ako.